Hi students, now we are going to study the topic nature of the roots. Here you people may get the question directly. They may ask you to write the nature of the root, or they may give you the specific condition of nature of the root. Okay, by using that condition of the nature of the root, we have to solve the problem in which one unknown will be there. We see what is that. Before that, let me begin with how to find the nature of the root of the equation. Okay, from this topic definitely you will be getting one question. Definitely you will get one question based on nature of the roots. Okay, here what is the question? And determine the nature of the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so let me begin with this problem. 2x square minus 5x square minus 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so the value of plus a is plus 2 and the value of b is minus 5 and the value of c is minus 1. Whenever you get the word nature of the root, remember root word if you find in the question, remember this word root word if you are going to find in the question, that is nature of the root, then just we have to write either delta or d. You can use any of the alphabet. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this is the nature of the root. Okay, now we take b square value. What is b? Minus 5. Okay, square minus 4a value is 2, c value is minus 1. That is equals to minus 5 whole square is 25. Minus into minus plus, 5 5 is 25. Minus into minus plus, 4 into 2 into 1 is 8. 25 plus 8 is 33. Now what is the delta? We have got the final answer 33. That means that since this delta value is greater than 0, we can see 33 is greater than 0. So we can comment. So what is the nature? Roots are real and distinct. That's it. This is the nature of the root. Let me solve one more problem based on nature of the root. Here also we can see, I hope you can do option B similar to that, and even option D also you can try. And let me try with option C. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Let me solve that problem. Now we can see in this problem 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. It's there in the standard form, no? Second degree, first degree and constant equals 0. So what is the value of a? Plus 3. Value of b is minus 4 root 3. And the value of c is plus 4. We know that delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. B value is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into, and the value of a is plus 3 and the value of c is plus 4. Minus into minus plus. 4 square 16 into square and square root get cancelled 3. That is 16 into 3. Minus 4 3 is a 12. 12 4 is a 48. Okay. Now we can see here 16 3 is a 48. 16 3 is a 48 and minus 48. 48 minus 48 is equals to 0. Okay. Since delta value is equals to 0, okay, roots are real and equal. If delta value is greater than 0, real and distinct. If it is less than 0 means negative. Okay, minus 2, minus 5, minus 20, anything negative value, it is imaginary. If it is equals to 0, then the roots are equal. So we have completed the basic problems related to nature of the roots. Now let me solve some condition based problems related to nature of the root. Okay, Let's begin the next problem. I hope you people can complete option B and option D, similar method. Now we can see in this question number 10, I have given some sub-options, 4 sub-options I have given to you here. Okay. Now what is the question? Determine the value of k. We have to find the value of k, for which the equation kx square plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0 has equal roots. See children, in this entire problem you need to highlight 3 things. What are the 3 things? We should find the value of k from the equation kx square plus 6x plus 1 equals 0 has which roots? Equal roots. This is very important condition. Sometimes they may say that has instead of equal roots has distinct roots, has imaginary roots. Any of the condition they can use here. Okay. Now let we try to solve this problem. How to find the value of k? Here what is the given condition? Kx square plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. Am I right? Yeah. In this what we should do? We need to find the value of k. Correct? Yes. So what is the value of a? That is k plus k. What is the value of b? Plus 6. The value of c is plus 4. Okay. Now here's given. What is given in the problem? Given in the problem is roots are has equal roots is said, no? That is roots are equal. That means what? Delta value is equals to 0 or d, small letter d is equals to 0 also we write sometimes. Okay, no issue. Now first let me take the formula. Roots word is used, then we have to use the formula delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Right? Now what is delta value? That is 0. So we can say here b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Yes. Now what is b? B is plus 6 whole square minus 4 into what is a? Plus k. C value is plus 1. That should be equal to 0. 6 square 36 minus 4 into k into 1 is 4k is equals to 0. We want k, but k is not negative k, minus k. We want plus k, but here k is minus, so we have to shift to the other side. So what happens? 36 is equals to 4k. Now 36 divided by 4 is equals to k. Okay. So what is the value of k? K is equals to the value of k is equals to 4 ones are 4 nines. So the value of k is 9. So simple. Now assume, this is not asked in this problem. Let me assume, in case if they would have said, roots are instead of roots are real and distinct, you might have said roots are okay, let me say distinct. We try. There is nothing is going to goes wrong in trying. If they say roots are, assume, example, this is not related to this problem. Okay. If in case if they would have said roots are real and distinct, then what we should use? Same, delta is greater than 0, right? So what is delta formula? B square minus 4ac, right? Now we can say here b square minus 4ac value should be greater than 0. Just greater than 0. Where all we wrote now is equals to, they're all what we should do, just write greater than symbol. Okay, I'll just show you how. So the value of a is k, and the value of b is plus 6, and the value of c is plus 1. What is b? 6 square minus 4 into k into 1. Just write greater than 0. 6 square is 36 minus 4k greater than 0. We want k positive, no? So 36 greater than minus 4k come this side plus 4k. Now 36 divided by 4 should be greater than k. Just instead of is equals to symbol we write k. That's it. Okay, is equals to symbol we write greater than symbol. 4 ones are 4 nines are. Right? So what should be the value of k? that is k should be greater than. Just we write here 9 is equals to k, no. So what is k? K is equals to 9. Just interchange the values. So the value of k should be greater than. If it is imaginary, if the roots are imaginary, then k should be less than 9. Right? If the roots are distinct, k is greater than 9. Imaginary, less than 9. If the roots are equal, k should be is equals to 9. See, so simple. That's it. One value you find, same thing you can put for the next two values. Just write is equals to 9. If it is distinct, greater than 9. Imaginary, less than. I hope you have understood this problem. Let me try one more problem. Here we can see, find the value of p, for which the equation x square minus of p plus 2 into x plus 4 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Shall we try this one? Yeah. Okay, x square minus of p plus 2 into x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now what is the value of a? In this case, the value of a is plus 1 and the value of b is minus of p plus 2 and the value of c is plus 4. Right? Yes or no? Yeah. So what he has given? He has given that roots are equal. If roots are equal, delta should be equal to 0. That means delta means b square. B square minus 4ac value should be equal to 0. Now what is b? Minus of p plus 2 whole square. Minus of p plus 2 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4. That value should be equal to 0. Now we can see here it is minus of p plus 2 into minus of p plus 2. Correct? Minus into minus plus. P plus 2 into p plus 2. It is p plus 2 whole square. That means it becomes plus p plus 2 whole square. Okay? Minus 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 is equals to 0. Now we do one thing like this. Instead of using a plus b whole square, keep this term as it is equals to minus 16 come this side plus 16. P plus 2 is equals to whole square come to the RHS side plus or minus root of 16. Okay. Now p plus 2 is equals to plus or minus 4. So p is equals to plus or minus 4 plus 2 come this side minus 2. Now p is equals to plus 4 minus 2. P is equals to minus 4 minus 2. P equals 4 minus 2 is 2. P is equals to minus 6. Here we have two possibilities. What are those? 2 and minus 6. So that is the value of p. If roots are equal, then we get two values here of p. One is 2 and other one is minus 6. So this is the way. If it is distinct, p should be greater than 2 and p should be greater than minus 6. Okay, p should be greater than 2, p should be greater than minus 6. If it is imaginary, p should be less than 2 and p should be less than minus 6. That's it. So simple. I hope the concept is very clear to you all. Any doubts, children? Is this clear? So let me see the next problem. We have done option B. Similarly, option C, can you see here? Find the value of p for which the equation p plus 1 into n square plus 2 into p plus 3 into n plus p plus 8 is equals to 0 have equal roots. Shall we try even that? Let's begin. Yes, what is the question here? P plus 1 into n square minus plus 2 of p plus 3 into n plus p plus 8 is equals to 0. So can you tell me the steps? What is the value of a? The value of a is p plus 1 because n is variable. Value of b is plus 2 of p plus 3. Okay, and the value of c is p plus 8. What is given? What is given? Roots are equal. If roots are equal, delta should be equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Now what is b? 2 into p plus 3, correct? Whole square. Minus 4 into a is p plus 1 into c is p plus 8. That value should be equal to 0. Done? Yes. Now let me see the next step. How to solve this. For 2 also square is there. For p plus 3 also square is there. What is 2 square? 4. Correct? Into p plus 3 whole square. Okay. Minus 4 into. Now it's a binomial term. P plus 1 into p plus 8. It's a binomial term, right? So shall we simplify separately? What is that? P plus 1 and p plus 8. First term multiplied by next two terms. Second term multiplied by next two terms. P into p plus 8 plus 1 into p plus 8. P into p square. Oh, quadratic. P square we got. No problem. Let's see. 8p plus 1p plus 8. So p square plus 9p plus 8. What is the value of that? P square plus 9p plus 8. That is equals to 0. Okay. Now what shall we do? 4 into p plus 3 whole square. It's in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay. Plus b square. Minus 4 into p square, 4p square. Minus into plus, minus. 4 9s are 36p. Minus into plus, plus. 4 8s are 32. That is equals to 0. Now, first you simplify inside term, then you multiply. P square plus 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9. Minus 4p square minus 36p minus 32 is equals to 0. Now 4 into p square, 4p square plus 4 6 are 24p plus 4 9s are 36. Minus 4p square minus 36p minus 32 is equals to 0. Now we can see here this 4p square plus 4p square minus 4p square get cancels. Yeah, absolutely. Right, it will get cancelled. Now what is left out here? 24 and here is 36. In 24 can we subtract 36? No. No means minus, and we should do opposite calculation. 36 minus 24. Okay. 2 1. It is minus 12p and 36 minus 32 is how much? Plus 4. 36 minus 32 is 4 is equals to 0. We want minus p or plus p? We want plus p. But here is minus. So let me bring to the other side. It becomes 4 is equals to plus 12p. 4 by 12 is equals to p. Correct? 4 ones are 4 3s. So what is the value of p? The value of p is 1 by 3. Any doubts? So simple. If the roots are equal, it is 1 by 3. If it is distinct, p is greater than 1 by 3. Means the values which is coming after 1 by 3. Okay, after 1 by 3, whatever the values we get, greater than 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, these all values are valid. If it is imaginary, less than 1 by 3, the values which comes below 1 by 3, those all comes under here. If it is equals to 0, roots are equal means exactly the value of p should be equal to 1. Understood? Is this clear? Let me try one more problem. Children, we can see here option D, this question has been appeared more number of times in exam. It's an examination question and this question has repeated also. This question has been repeated also, I am saying you all. Now let's see what is that question. In the quadratic equation, b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equals to 0 has equal roots. Yes, given the condition roots are equal means nature of the root. Then show that something we have to prove. That means LHS should be equal to RHS. So what we have to show or what we have to prove? We have to show or prove that 2b is equals to a plus c. We have to prove 2b is equals to a plus c. Let me solve this problem. And this question is very important. Should not forget this problem. Is this clear? Students, we can see here the given equation is b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equals to 0. So here, now what we can do, we can take the values of ABC first. What is A? Forget about whatever they are asking you to prove or which value it is. It doesn't matter. Okay. Just be cool, relax. How? Just you catch the train. Just train को catch कीजिए. जैसा movement होते रहता, you will get the steps. How you will proceed further, you will be getting the steps. That's it. Never in maths you have to stop and think what I should do. No. It's just a flow. Just goes on moving. That's it. Definitely you will reach your destination, but you should not forget one thing. What is my final destination? That you should not forget. Okay, so the value of A is B minus A, and the value of B is C minus A, and the value of C is A minus B. So we got ABC values. And what is given here? He has given that roots are equal. ठीक है बेटा, क्या पूछ कर है इसमें? I mean क्या देकर है? रूट्स आर इक्वल देकर है कंडीशन. अगर से रूट्स इक्वल रहे तो उसका मतलब क्या? डेल्टा की वैल्यू 0. डेल्टा बोले तो क्या? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डेल्टा? दैट इज b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस मच वी नो as usual. And here something he asked us to prove, correct? What did he ask us to prove? He is asking us to prove 2b is equals to a plus c, correct? Okay, now we do one thing. Remember, b term we want left side, a and c terms we want right side. That should be your main condition. You should remember 2b should be in left side, a plus c should be in right side. Okay, let's see how to do it. Now what is the value of b? That is c minus a whole square minus 4 into what is a? A is b minus c. Then what is c? C is a minus b. That is equals to 0. Okay. Now c minus a whole square, let it be. We do one thing. Shall we reduce that to its simplest form? Yes. What is the simplest form? A square, a minus b whole square. C minus a means a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Here a means c, b means a. Correct? I'll keep separately this value. Minus 4 into b minus c into a minus b. It's a binomial term. Yes, b minus c into a minus b. Shall we multiply b into a? ba. That means ab. Okay. If you want, you can write ba itself. You wish. You may not get confused. B into a, ba. Plus into minus, minus. B into b, b square. Minus into plus, minus. C into a, ca. Minus into minus, plus. C into b, cb. Right? Now what is here? ba minus b square minus ca plus cb. Shall we write those terms? 1 minute. ba minus b square minus ca. Okay, let's substitute. Don't turn back. Minus ca plus cb, that is equals to 0. This value is equals to 0. Now what shall we do? Let's see. C square minus 2ac, ca means ac, plus a square minus 4ab minus into minus plus 4b square minus into minus plus 4ac minus into plus minus 4bc is equals to 0. Correct? Now the next step, what we can do, c square, we can see here minus 2ac plus 4ac, that is 4ac minus 2ac is plus 2ac plus in a square, yeah, only one time a square. Now after that we can see here, after this we can see, that is 1 minute. Now what are the terms are left out? 4ab is left out, correct? Minus 4ab is left out. Next 4b square is left out. Next 4bc is also left out. Correct? Now what we can do here, minus 4ab plus 4b square, then terms are getting added. No terms are getting added. Now we can see here AB and here BC. Leave this 4b square. We can see here both the sides at least one time of b is there. In this both, I'm going to write here minus 4ab and next is minus 4bc. I'm writing one side because bb terms are there. Next is what is left out, plus 4b square is left out, is equals to 0. Just I'm rearranging. So we can see from here to here it is one term. These both are one term and this is one term. So what happens now? It's in the form of c square plus 2ac plus a square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square. It's in the form of c plus a whole square. It's in the form of c plus a whole square or a plus c whole square. Then what we can do, we can take minus 4b as common factor. If we take minus 4b as common factor, so what is left out inside? A plus c. Here also instead of c plus a, shall we write a plus c, because both will match here. Okay, that's the reason. Minus 4b into a plus c. See here, from minus 4 here b, minus 4b have taken out. So here a is left out and minus into plus is minus. That's the reason, because minus is common. So we have what we have done, we have taken plus here. Now plus 4b square, shall I write here as 2b whole square? 2b whole square, because 2 square is 4b square, that is equals to 0. Now what I will do, a plus c whole square minus 4 can I write as 2 into 2b, 2 into 2b into a plus c plus 2b whole square is equals to 0. Now we can see here it's in the form of a. I'm writing in some other form. Okay, a means a plus c. What is a? A plus c. A means a plus c. A square minus 2 into a plus c is what? A. Correct? A plus c means a. 2b means here is b term. Can you see a b term? This is b. Minus 2ab plus b square. B means 2b. A means a plus c. A means a plus c minus 2 into a into b or b into a plus b square. It's in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square minus 2ab plus b square? It is nothing but a minus b whole square. A minus, here what is a? Here a means a plus c. B means 2b. B is nothing but 2b. Okay. A minus b. What is b? 2b whole square is equals to 0. Can you see, children? I have converted this in the form of a minus b whole square. I'm right. Now what actually we need to prove here? What is the proof? What we have to prove here? We have to prove 2b is equals to a plus c. What we have to prove? 2b is equals to a plus c. That you should not forget. We have to prove here 2b is equals to a plus c. This is what my proof. Okay. Now what I will do, a plus c minus 2b is equals to whole square, come this side, plus or minus root of 0. Plus or minus root of 0 is 0 itself. So what happens? A plus c minus 2b is equals to 0. Plus or minus 0 is 0. Then a plus c will keep here itself. Minus 2b come this side, plus 2b. Hence we have proved that 2b is equals to a plus c. Hence proof. I hope you all have liked this video. I am right, and you have understood the problem, how we need to solve this type of problems. In case if you are going to get this type of problems, definitely it carries around 3 marks. You should not forget, you should not miss such type of problems. And it is very important problem, because already this type of problems has been appeared in the exam. That is the reason. Okay. Now here, you people can see what is the question. Sum of a number. We can see question number 11. sum of a number and its reciprocal is 5 1 by 5, find the number. So these are the questions which is nothing but which we are using in our daily life. Definitely you people can expect from these questions any one question. Maybe the same value and same problem, or like slightly it will be interchanged, but condition concept remains same, and it is very important for your board exam. Here what is the question? Sum of a number and its reciprocal is 5 1 by 5, find the number. Next, the base of a triangle is 4 cm longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter, find its base and altitude. Find its base and altitude. Next, Rashmi bought some books for rupees 60. Rashmi bought Rashmi bought some books for rupees 60. Had she bought 5 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost her 1 rupees less. Find the number of books bought by Rashmi and the price of each book. Next question. The speed of a motorboat in still water is 15 km per hour. If it goes down the stream 30 km and again returns to the starting point in a total time of 4 hours and 30 minutes, find the speed of the stream. Next, a dealer sells an article for rupees 24 and gains as much percent as the cost price of the article. Find the cost price of the article. Next, 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. That is mixed fraction 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Next, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Okay. Next, the ages of 2 students A and B are 19 years and 15 years respectively. Find how many years it will take so that the product of their ages become equal to 480. And next, a dealer sells an article for rupees 16 and loses as much percent as the cost price of the article. One we have done, he gains, but one condition is loses. Okay, of the article, find the cost price of the article. Next question, pupils of 10th standard of a class had arranged for a function at a total cost of rupees 1000, which was to be shared equally among them. Since 10 of them failed to join the function, each of them had to pay rupees 5 more. Then find the number of pupils in the class. So these type of questions also are applicable either for 3 marks or 4 marks. So please students, you should not neglect any such type of questions. But this year, you people can expect this type of one question. There are many chances that you can expect this type of problems also for this academic year. So the one who is expecting more marks or the one who is expecting to score out of 4 marks, then those type of students definitely should not leave these type of problems. Okay, thank you. And please students, don't forget to comment, like and share my videos, and please subscribe to this channel so that you will get the latest updates. Okay, and this is the completion of the chapter quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. Best of luck. Do well.